This is one of the first card tricks that I ever learned, and it still packs a powerful punch even to this day. So for this trick, we just need a shuffle deck of cards, and I'm simply going to have a spectator call out stop at a random card in the middle. Let's say they say stop at this card. However, I'm actually going to have them not look at it quite yet. We're going to leave it as a mystery until the end. So now I'm going to split the deck into 4 roughly equal piles just like this. So we'll take the cards and split them up just like this, and now I'm going to flip over 2 of the piles so that they're facing up, and then we're going to shuffle the cards so that they're going face up into face down. And now we can keep mixing up the cards by flipping over the cards like this, shuffling these cards together, and then we can flip over this pile once more and shuffle these cards together just like this. And now you can clearly see how shuffled and mixed up the deck is with all these cards going face up into face down. Now there's a really easy trick in order to find out which card is missing from the deck. Obviously these cards are all messed up, but there is one card right over here that is missing from the deck. If I just snap, now we'll be able to find out which card is missing. If we just look, we have the ace, the 2, the 3, the 4 of spades, the 5 of spades, the 6 of spades, the 7 of spades, the 8 of spades, the 10 of spades. Interesting that the 9 is missing, but we have the jack and the queen and the king of spades all in order here. Obviously that 9 of spades was missing, so that should mean the card you selected in the beginning was the 9 of spades. All you're going to want to do is pull out any suit and arrange it in numerical order, and then take any one of the cards out of the middle. I like to use the 9 of spades, place it on the top. So now that card will be on top, and then take all of these cards and place those on top, and that is the preparation for the trick. To begin the trick, you can give the cards some false shuffles. All you need to do is force the top card of the deck. So you could do this in many different ways. An easy way to do it is a riffle force. They can say stop anywhere, and now you will pretend to take the cards from where they said stop, but you will actually just take the cards from your pinky break and give them the 9 of spades, and then take these cards and place them back on top. So now you have all of your spades back on top. At this point, you're going to flip the deck over and split the deck into 4 roughly equal piles. So take about a quarter of the cards, set them down, another quarter, set it down, and then you're going to spread until you see that king of spades, and just stop when you see that card and leave this entire pack of spades as the last pile right over here. Now you're going to take the first pile and the third pile that you took and flip those over, and now you're going to start with the last 2 piles over here and shuffle these together just like this. Flip these over and shuffle these cards together, and then once you shuffle these cards together, you're going to flip these cards over once again and shuffle all of these cards together. And now all you have to do is pick up the deck and show how shuffled the cards are. So at this point, you show the mess of the deck, and then you will set the deck face down on the table. You wave your hand over the deck, snap your fingers, and then spread the cards and show that every single card is in order and that we have all of the spades. However, there is clearly one missing here in the middle, the 9 of spades. Have the spectator flip the card over, and that is the trick.